Open the door! A crazy bird is chasing me! It's already here! We gotta find another way out! Hey! Busted! What? A different door! Guess. This is safe. What is this place, though? There's someone in here.
Oh.
Hi. Hey. Take a seat. Who's that behind the door? Over there? Oh, that's a fascinating story. I'll tell you all about it in a moment. Learn the whole truth about Opila Bird. What bird? Oh, this one. This is how it all started. Look, it's her. You and your stupid notebook. Why are they so mean? Yay! It's lunchtime! Stop! You are not going any further! We are hungry too! Why so? I'm ignoring them! Ah! Loser! Oh no! My favorite drawing! It has to be colored! Perfect shade! You distract her, and I'll snatch the drawing. Hey! What is it? I got your bird! Bird brain! I won't let it slide this time around! Any problem? Oh, snap! I'm in over my head! Please hit the like button so the teacher comes ASAP! Nobody's gonna help you! Oh yes, thank you! Students, take up your spots! Oops, hide it! No blasters! We were just waiting for you! My drawing! Birdie, you're fine! Students, you are taking a test today! Oh boy! And you! You are gonna ace it! Thanks! Oh, that's easy! I know the answers! Hey! Huh? What's the first one? How would I know? Bad luck! Time's up! All done! My pencil case! Grab the test! Got it!
Huh?
Here's my paper! What? Not a single correct answer! You get an F! No! This can't be true! We got A's, you loser! How come? Oh no! Who painted my locker? Serves her right, doesn't it, Birdie? You are so pretty! I wish I looked like you! I'll start with feathers on a hair clip and a choker! Wow! You have great style! May I take a selfie? Really? Thanks! Look at the camera! Hey, over here! I'm coming! Now! Here are some feathers! Ow! Ahem! Hey, you! Surprise! This is annoying! I'm over it! And I'm mad! Ah! What's going on? Poor thing! How sad is that? Don't panic! She's back! We're busy! Sorry! Phew! So what happened next? And then, more tears! Here's a handkerchief! Thank you! That was loud! Perfect timing! Ew! Birdie, you are the only one who gets me! Luckily, I'll graduate from college with honors very soon! My life will turn around! The day has come! Congratulations! We are proud of you! You? Grab your diploma and go away! Finally! College is over! My dream job is waiting! Here's my resume! I'm dying to work for you! You call this a resume? Child's play! I was rejected! Another try! Are you hiring? Oh, how nice! I think you're… What is this? So sticky! No, employees like that are not a good fit! Forgot about the slime! I really need this job! Let's see… Do you have references? No! I do have delicious food though! Unfortunately, it's a no! Even a dog won't hire me! This is over for me! What? We hire everyone? Oh. Right up my alley! Who was that? Welcome to our school! Wow, this place is nice! Hello! Hi! My CV! I don't need it! Oh. You are on board! You'll be teaching our little students Art 101! I trust you with these 3 kids! I'm on top of the world! We will provide you with the essentials! Hi! I'm your new teacher! Hey! Take up your seats! The class is on! Today we'll learn how to draw animals! Who do we start with? No! It's too boring! I'll pass! How do you feel about a dog? No! 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 Whatever! In that case, you can draw whatever your heart wants! Yay! How cute is that? Way to go! The line is so confident! I know who I'm drawing! So do I! I'm running with a monster! Mine will be blue! Mine's red! Oh. Drawing is fun! What? She's not listening! Give it back! Oops! Phone? Who am I talking to? Sorry! That's so annoying! What? Give me the headphones! Where did we leave off? Lunch is ready! My best class is here! All 3 of you showed up! You are doing amazing! I love teaching you so much! Those are cute monsters! I suggest we draw them on the wall! Yay! We're having a blast! I'll help! My favorite bird will be here as well! Done! Ready! There! Whoa! You did a great job! Now let's make up stories about our art! Here you go! There are just 2 of you left! You know, 2's still good! Means you'll be working together! There! 1 student down! What are we in for next? Don't be bummed out! I'll be teaching you anyway! Huh? Mom's picking me up! Bye! But I don't want to leave! I'll be missing you! So what will happen to the school now? There are no students! I am so miserable! Birdie, you are not alone anymore! You and 3 eggs are like me and my 3 students! You are forever with me! But I'm exhausted right now! Wake up! Huh? Congrats, Opila! There will be 3 of them! What is this? Seeing things.
Huh?
It's just a drawing. Well, there are no students, so the school is shutting down. No, you can't do that. This class is all I have. It's my life. There is no other way out. School's over. What am I to do next? I've got this idea. Really? That's just wonderful. I mean, where are we after all? You are about to learn. Ah! I don't recognize you. Hold up. No reason to fear. Sleep. Now you are hypnotized. You only listen to me. Smooth sailing. That's weird. And I'm drowsy. Where am I? Let me go. Sorry, I can't. I have great plans for you. No! Injecting the gene. The transformation is on. Save me! Yes, it panned out. Help! This is my finest creation. My class, my favorite students. Oh no, it's over. Ah! There's no going back. I'm outraged. Oh yeah!
Oh.
Get hopping mad! Stunning! You're the bad guy! It's not Opila Bird after all! Surprise! You can't run away now! You know what? The girl who made it out is you! Me? With you included, my collection will be complete. You're what? You're the third egg. Oh no! Oh yeah! The altered gene! Help! Opila? Oh no! My ears! Ah! Cut and run! Now you're free! No! Come with me! I can't! Please, Opila! I'm not leaving you! Go! This is where I belong! Opila! I'll find you! Victory's so close! It's the finale!
Yes!
Where's my victory? Game? Unfreeze! Opila Bird fell! Who is this guest? Opila! It's like you have been to hell and back. Let me fix you up. Scalpel incision. Opila slime! Gotta clean it all up. You clearly don't belong in here. Let's stitch you back. We'll do an Opila cleaning. You look brand new! Monster serum charge! My patient is up and about! What is it now?
What?
Where am I? Where are they? Could it be here? No! Not here either! Must be somewhere else! Thanks. What are you looking for? My kids! Your what? My babies! Mom is coming! The trick is, I gotta leave this world! I need to be back inside the game! What are you doing? Birds are stupid, man! The game is calling me! Take me back! Oh my! Holy feathers! That's nuts! I couldn't care less! I still want to play! What? The game fails without all the characters? Whatever! I'll watch TikTok! Here it is! One of the missing characters! Gotta go there! Right off! Get off me! Keep it down! Why are you so loud? Help me! The more likes you hit under this video, the quieter Bird's voice will be. It's doing the trick. What's up? We have Opila Bird. Great! Time to activate my hunting drone. The Opila hunt is on. Where's Jumbo Josh at? That's who will help us. Look what I found. Shake him out of there. Hey, Pokemon, I'll give it a shot. Where did my screen go? I did turn off your volume. Oops! Pika! Why would you wake me up? Blame her. Pika! Thank you. Give us the green monster. He's my toy. It's time for a swap. Fine. Here you go, blackmailer. Pika swap. Pika! Let's fix you up, sweetie. I don't know what's what. What tool do I use? What do I do about it? Nancy, help! Game over! So, Nancy? Stop playing! All right. Where do we start off? Checkmate! Want to give me a hand? Totally! For starters, you need to get rid of this coal. It's not easy. Here's a thought. Do your signature scream. We need to apply patches on all the wounds. But how do we get a hold of green fabric? I know! You are a mastermind! The cushion made a great donor. He's so dirty! No biggie, I got a bath. The key is to be generous with detergent. The more the merrier. That's it! More! Wash away all your filth, my green friend. You'll be squeaky clean. Jumbo Josh, you're glowing. Green is not back in the game. What else do you need? My monster serum. It did the trick. You are a genius. I know. And this is my genius dance. That's it. Let's go look for another toy. Say Pika! Here comes a witness. Hey, have you seen this bird? Nope. Intel in exchange for a toy. Pika! Pika! That's it. I'm off. Where are we? Here he is. I'm not breathing a word. Saw that? Grab him. Where's Banbalina? Don't have the slightest clue. He will in a minute. Not Pink! Let go! Fine, here's your toy. Oh no! Poor Banbalina! She has been through a lot. I know the drill. Oh no! Nancy is playing again. How do I save you, baby? I'm in it all alone. Fine, I caved. Shh! You'll scare away all of my enthusiasm. It's gonna tank. Gotta get the brain out. A neat incision. There is an intricate injury. Will she make it? I don't know. brain is still alive. Let's put it in saline. What do we do about the body? Nothing. It's already dead. Poor Banbalina! Get over this junk! I have a new body for Banbalina! It's a Barbie! For now, we'll pimp up this toy, cleaning up the excess. That gorgeous hair, too! That's drastic! Get ready for your greatest glow-up, doll! That spacesuit looks good! Unfolding fabric. Mark and cut out the right silhouette. This is so interesting! This level is hard to pass! That's it! Opila Bird! Gotta take this chance! Excuse me, miss! Who do you think you are? You're the reason I lost! I'm the updated Banbalina, version 2.0! Let's add bows! No! Yes! Don't forget the brain! Let's put the brain back! The final touch! My monster serum! Come on, Banbalina! It worked! No time to dance! This lair is sketchy! An arrow! Another one! Defend yourself! I accept the challenge! Give in, thing! I do! I do! I won! Tell me where Bird is! Right here! Thanks for your help! Where might Banban be? Anywhere! What's buzzing? Why is there a drone? Why is it here? There you are, Birdie! Just try to touch her! You will deal with me! Please, fix my baby Banban! I beg you! Banban! What have you done to him? Come here, baby! I'll fix you! Why is there a hole? This? It's my dog! Drop it! This is no toy! Let go of it! Poor thing! Why are these marker drawings? This? My sister had an urge to give Banban a few tats. Why is there slime? Slime? It's easy! Aliens abducted him, but they returned him! Got it! In that case, get to work! Looks like he'll be on the mend soon! Adding some red paint! Banban looks brand new! You are angels! My monster serum is missing! Bye, Banban! It worked! Now I can go home to my kids! Birdie, you will be missed! You'll be missed too, bestie! Catch you later, Opila Bird! Fly! At this point, my game is over! Bye, you all! I have a better idea! Where do I begin? There's a lot to work on! I'll give you a hand! I'll be a toy surgeon! And I'm a beautician and a makeup artist! Where's the patient? Take it easy! I'll heal you in no time! Yeah, the arm is in a terrible condition, but it's fixable! First off, let's get rid of the dirty clothes! This jumpsuit is beyond repair! Ruined outfit is up for recycling! Don't worry, you are in good hands! Gauze! That's enough! Applying a bandage! Now I'll set the joint back in place! Done! And attach the arm! Now it can recover! I wonder how long toy injuries take to heal! I think that's it. Let's take the bandage off. Be patient. We're almost there. Yay! My arm is healthy again. You're a great patient. Take care. My job is done here. Nancy takes it on from here. Nancy, take care of the patient. I'd love to. You are in for a full glow-up, doll. Let's clean all the dirt first. Now we'll add the moisturizing and nourishing serum. Let's leave the mask on for 20 minutes, and in the meantime, I'll take care of your hair. I can get rid of the gum. Cutting is the way to go. My hair! Don't be scared. I'll just remove the gum. Finally! Taking off the mask. Next up, bath time. Colin, this doll really needs a shower. You're right. I have a shower stall ready. A hot shower. Colin, no peeking. Who's singing? It sounds just like Billie Eilish. It's coming from the shower. This doll was born to be a singer. Guys, listen. It feels like we are at a Billie Eilish concert. So sick. I used up all the hot water. That's great. Your concert was awesome. Now let's find an outfit for you. A princess? No. A rebel? Nope. All right, I've got another idea. Pretty edgy, but you'll love it anyway. Let's start with the hair. Brushing and trimming. Done! Oh no! My beautiful hair! Don't worry, we're still gonna dye it. Perfect shade. Thoroughly applying the dye to the roots and all over the hair. Let's wrap the curls in foil and wait. 3, 4, 5. Time to remove the foil. It turned out even better than I expected. Next up, the outfit. A dress, pants, shoes, a t-shirt, and accessories. Done! I'd love to go to her concert. Same here. Check out the end result. Wow! Yep, she's the spitting image of Billie Eilish, and she needs a stage. The party's starting. Billie is singing just for us. Wow! Did you fix my doll? I want to take a pic. With me? Absolutely! No way! With Billie Eilish! Knock yourself out! So cool! This is for your work. A bag of candy? Pretty decent. Bye! I'm exhausted. The task was challenging. We need a breather. Have some fresh air outside. What is it? This poor little toy is looking for a foster family. Looks so sad. Let's help it. Poor thing. Be patient. The glasses have to go. First off, remove the weird green slime. How did you get so dirty? This sweater should go away ASAP. Ew! How come all these bugs are here? We need to get rid of them right now. You don't belong in here. How could one small toy possibly have so much junk? But I'm not a quitter. I'll clean it all up. Oh Oh no! The patient is injured. The wound must be treated immediately. Disinfecting first. Now it's okay to close up. Oh no! Not a surgery! I feel sick! Don't worry, I'll be neat. There won't be a trace left. That's it! Like nothing happened! You finally look like a duck! All we gotta do is to wash you well. Colin, get a hot bath ready for the patient. The bath is at your disposal. There must be a lot of foam. The duck hasn't seen a bath in ages. The bath is ready. Bring the duck in. We'll doll you up now. Let's wash away all the dirt. In order to keep Lala Fan entertained, a squad of rubber duck sisters is here for her. A sweet-smelling foam bath is the best thing ever. Now we'll dry you. She is so adorable. Let's start with the head feathers. Ready! What outfit is right for you? What about blue and yellow? It's the trend of the year. It'll look good on you. Don't you agree? I bet you do. Let's try it on. How do you feel about it? No? Why though? I don't get it. I need your help. This duck doesn't like anything. There's nothing she's happy with. I think I know a way out. Lala Fan, you need a hand. I'll help you make your life full of joy. This will require a tiny little surgery. I'll give you general anesthesia first. This dose will do the trick. You are falling asleep and having wonderful dreams. I'm moving on to the surgery. Scalpel. Tweezers. Now comes the most important part. I'll give you a heart. As of now, you can enjoy your life. The heart fits in perfectly. The surgery was a success. Wake up, Lala Fan. Look how much you have changed. Baby alt girl. Now we can easily pick an outfit for you. A stylish backpack. I almost forgot glasses. You look gorgeous, baby. I believe you can easily find a family now. Break a leg. Ben, let's take a break. Finally! Walking's tiring. It's lovely. Ben, charming Lala Fan is looking for a family. Let's keep her. Okay, I can't say no to you.